Hi, this is Leanne with the Levan. I just wanted to let you know that I am creating a program to develop something to help us to aid in the detoxification and regeneration of our bodies to help us in our healing process. I myself have been affected by mold toxicity, and through that, I have realized the importance of cleaning up the environment of the body so that it can work for us, that this is where all of the symptoms that we are experiencing, our disease, our illnesses, is because the body environment has been affected in a negative way. So that if we can work to clean that up and to make it a environment, an ecosystem that is thriving, that where the body has what it needs in order to work like it's supposed to, then our health, we will have our health and our well-being will be intact. Sounds easy, I know, and it is not. It takes a lot of work. So it has to be done knowing that there are no easy answers, that it's going to be work, and it's not going to be all a bed of roses. Um, so, well, maybe that wasn't the best analogy, but anyway, you get what I mean. Um, but in the long run, it will we will have our health, and I think that that is better than anything. So I hope that you will join me as I go through these steps, and I am here to help. Please message me, and we can work to get your body to that environment where it can clean and then regenerate, nourished at the cellular microbiome level, so that your body will do what it is intended to do to keep a balance, homeostasis, a clean environment with which you can thrive, and your body will be just in a healing state. I truly do believe it innately, believing and knowing that this is a true path to healing. And I want to share what I am learning and what I've experienced, and want to do to help others in their healing journey. So please join me. Bye.